Hey, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Uh, Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hey, new PU College Raibag. What's special today? All color dress. Hmm? What is so special today? Boys, girls, what happened today? What's special?
Sir, tomorrow tour.
Little away from the mic. Mattig matadi.
Tomorrow tour. Trip.
ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Field trip. Okay. Trip ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, okay. Okay, nice. Okay. So, fine. All right, so today will be our last session on integration. There are some questions which are very good, we need to solve, okay? Some previous year questions and some area under the curve questions. Raibag students, everybody, I want you to open the notebook first. Hi, okay, but open the notebooks, okay? ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ one of you read which year CET question
14.
this is? 2014. Those years CET papers were tough. Now all of you are getting easy papers. Okay, they have reduced the level. Yes, read it, please. Are you able to see New PU College?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read it. One of you. If
If f of x equal to f of pi plus e minus x and limit from b to pi f of x dx equal to 2 by e plus pi, then limit of e to pi x f of x dx is equal to.
Option D.
okay, ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಸಮ್ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ದೇವಿ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಥರ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Who can tell me what steps we need to adopt to solve this question? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, pi plus e minus x ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Isn't
Property.
that upper limit plus lower limit minus x? Yes or no,
Yes.
students? So you have to use that property. Okay, first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಈ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಅನ್ನ let us write this as I. Okay, I'll say I is equal to, write along with me students, I is equal to e to pi x f of x dx. Okay, now what I'll do, you know that I'll call this as equation 1, and you know that you can replace x with what?
Pi plus
Upper limit plus lower limit
minus x.
minus x. ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್
F of x.
is f of x. So in the next step I'll replace this with f of x. Did you understand so far what we have
Yes.
done?
Sir.
So initially I wrote this as equation 1. ಇದನ್ನ equation 2 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, when you add I plus I ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ?
2i.
2i is equal to f of x dx. ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೊರಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆನ್? ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now is pi plus e a constant?
Yes.
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
No, sir.
Have they given what is the value of this integral according to question?
2 by e plus pi.
Yes, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2 by e plus pi ಅಂತ. ಸೊ don't you think this will get cancelled? Correct? So ನನಗೆ 2i will be 2. So how much is I then?
1.
How much is I? I is 1. So which is the right answer?
Option C.
Option C. Why did you think it is option D? You thought it will be like that previous questions, where you subtract both and divide by 2. Atara, alva? That was your thought, isn't it?
Yes.
0 to pi by 2 idaga pi by 2 minus 0 divided by 2 pi by 4 agatte anta. No, here it's a little different. Okay, a good thought. Okay, but why that didn't work? Because along with f of x, who else was
X.
sitting along with him? X. So aga aa approach work agalla. Okay, all have noted down, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, we'll move on to next one. This is also very beautiful question, pa. Okay, amazing question this is. One of you read, please. Yes. Yeah, same person can read also. Who read last time? Srujan or Raghuveer or who?
Rihan.
Rihan read. Rihan. Okay, read Rihan.
The linear function of x and g of x satisfy integration of 3x minus 1 cos x plus 1 minus 2 cos x into sin x dx equal to f of x cos x plus g of x sin x plus c. Then
Okay, this also is which year question, Rihan?
2014.
2014. Any thoughts, students? What is the first linear function anta kotre ನೀವು ಏನಂತ immediately you should do something. f of x ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ?
mx plus c.
ಏನರ್ಥ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. mx plus c ಥರ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ mx plus c, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ f of x as ax plus b. g of x I will assume as cx plus d. Artha aitappa? Why I am assuming like this anta? Because
Linear.
both are linear functions. Okay. Now, what do you think can be our next step? ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Wait, the coefficients of cos x and sin x.
Very good. You are on the right line.
We have to
Rihan.
integrate first.
Okay. We have to. Srujan, that
Yes,
is
yes.
speaking. Srujan, you are saying we should integrate first, but I slightly disagree with you, Srujan, because differentiation is more easy than integration. Yes or no? Alva? So instead of integrating on the left hand side, what I will do, I will differentiate on both sides. Artha aitappa? What you should do? You should differentiate on both sides, because you know that differentiation and integration will cancel out with each other. They are inverse of each other. Okay, so let us differentiate. Yakandre differentiation is more easy. Differentiate on both sides. So left hand side differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This integral and dx will get
Sir.
cancelled. So ಬರೀ 3x minus 1 cos x plus 1 minus 2x sin x. This is what you will have in the left hand side. ಈಗ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್? ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ f of x into derivative of cos x. What is derivative of cos x?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Alva. Plus g dash x sin x plus
cos x.
g of x cos x. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ cos x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ sin x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸ್ ರಿಹಾನ್ ಸೆಡ್, compare the coefficients of cos x on both sides, compare the coefficients of sin x on both sides. Okay. So how do you do that here? ಈಗ cos x ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ what is f dash? f dash x ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? how much is f dash x? a. ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. what is g dash x?
C.
C.
ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಗೆ ಎ ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್?
3x.
3.
3x. So 3x and cx. So c must be
3.
how much?
3.
c must be 3. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x sin x minus ax sin x. So minus 2 is minus a. मतलब a कितना है? How much is a? a is 2. a is 2. So first a ಮತ್ತೆ c value ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡೀರಿ. Now equate the other terms in cos x. What is there next to 3x?
Minus 1.
Along with 3x, minus 1. Minus 1. Illi along with cx you have
Plus
a
d.
plus d. a plus d. But a value ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. a is 2. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ
D is minus 3.
d is minus 3 ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. d is minus 3. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? 1. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Minus b.
ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 is equal to c minus b, and c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ how much is b then? b must be 2. Now can you tell me what is f of x? f of x is ax, ಅಂದರೆ 2x plus 2. f of x is 2x plus 2. What is g of x? All of you use the poll to answer which is correct ಅಂತ. ಮೈಕಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪೋಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. g of x ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? g of x will be cx plus d. So which is correct, students? Isn't this a very good question? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, these are very solid questions. CET 2014 level was proper level, okay? And it was very good, thought-provoking. You literally had to be at JEE mains level at least. ಆ ಥರ, okay? Okay, are you done? Can we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now one last question on integration, or two questions we have. Two questions on integration we'll do, then we'll move to the other ones. Area under the curve madona. Yeah, anybody would like to say what is the first step? The moment you see minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, what do you think?
One.
Odd or even function.
But in this question, if you try that approach, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ sin x ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. sin x is inside whom? Inside which function? Sin
Exponential.
x is present?
Exponential.
Exponential. ಸೊ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ? Replace x with upper limit plus lower limit minus x. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನೇ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
So let us write the integral as I. I is equal to ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Now what you should do? Replace x with upper limit plus lower limit. ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Pi.
0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 0. 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್, ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1. Now when you replace x with sin minus x, what is sin of minus theta?
Minus sin.
Minus sin theta.
So ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈ ಥರ. Now I want to make denominator exactly same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? I'll write this e power minus as 1 by e power sin x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇದನ್ನು 1 by e power sin x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ? e power sin x plus 1. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ will go up and it will become the numerator. Yes or no,
Yes.
students? Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Call this as equation 2. And when denominators are same, what you do generally? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 2i is equal to, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ. In first one you have 1 in the numerator, here you have e power sin x. So you'll get 1 plus e power sin x by e power sin x plus 1. How much is that, children? So what is 2i? 2i ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 1 dx.
Option B.
Like our previous, option which one?
B.
B ಬರಲ್ಲ, C is correct. 2i is 1 dx. Now what is integral 1? It is x. Now put the upper value, which is pi by 2, minus the lower value, which is minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ?
Plus
So pi by 2 plus pi
pi.
by 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2i is
I.
pi. So what is i
pi by
then?
2.
Pi by 2. So this is one exception where minus a to a ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆಡ್ ಈವನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ರಾದರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು 2i is equal to 1 dx ಥರ. Okay. Is it a good question,
Yes.
students? Yes. Okay. Note down quickly. Done, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then one last question in integrals. This is also 2022 previous year question. I chose this because when I initially saw, it didn't flash immediately what is the first step I should take, although it's very easy. I want to see whether you know what is the best way to
Multiply
solve
and
this.
divide by 1 minus sin x.
Divide the whole thing by,
Multiply and divide 1 minus sin x.
okay. When you do that, then that's also a good approach, because when you multiply and divide by 1 minus sin x, you'll get what? ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then what next? This will become 1 minus sin square x, alva? What is 1 minus sin
Cos square
square x?
x.
ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? Actually, this is very easy. Sometimes it doesn't flash. That's why I chose this. Anybody would like to say what is the easiest way to solve? New PU College Raibagh girls, first bench. Can you call them? They are in their happy world. Okay. Santosha, Santosha. Okay. Yes. What else to do here?
Upper plus lower minus x.
No need of all that actually. Just put sin x as t, cos x dx will become what? Cos x dx will become
dt.
dt. Okay. So put sin x as t. So cos x dx will become dt. Why that upper limit, lower limit will not work? Because we saw, no? When will it work? Nipani, see, the AI camera has caught you. Naughty students. Okay. Anta. Please write, children. Be attentive. Okay. Why that upper limit, lower limit won't work here? Because I told you it will work for which type of questions? When denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಸ್. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬರೀ ಸೈನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀ ಕಾಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಪ್ಪ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೋತ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫೆಲೋ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? Yes? Okay. So you have to put sin x as t. So cos x dx will become dt. ಈಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಝೀರೋ, ಸೈನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಕಿತ್ನಾ ಹೈ? ಸೈನ್ ಝೀರೋ
0.
ಝೀರೋ. ಸೈನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ
1.
1. So limit will be from 0 to 1. This is t by 1 plus t dt. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? How do you integrate t by 1 plus t? What is the power of numerator? What is power of denominator?
Same 1.
ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇಮ್
Improper.
ಏನಾದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು
Improper.
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ remainder divided by divisor. So divide ಮಾಡಿ, t plus 1 is the divisor, ones are t plus 1 ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ is how much? minus 1. So write it as quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. ಈಗ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is actually from here itself you can tell which is the answer. Which is the answer? When you substitute all, can you tell me what is the answer here? Use the poll, solve. Everyone use the poll, solve. Last part, solve ಮಾಡಿ. Tell me what is the answer.
Option D, sir.
Are you sure? Check.
Yes.
So you'll get 1 minus 0 minus log 2 minus log 1. Log 1 is how much? Log 1 is 0 only. So you'll get 1 minus ln 2, which is which option? Option D. Okay. So sometimes simple questions like this, no, we'll be thinking some difficult approaches. Sin x you put as t, cos x dx will become dt. Okay. And one more thing we learnt is, whenever power of numerator is bigger or equal, what we should do? What should we do? Should do polynomial division. Write it as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay. And partial fraction ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಫ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೋಪ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗಾನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, students. So yeah, now we go to area under the curve. Before that, have this sight of the beautiful scenery. This is in a place in Himachal Pradesh called Mandi. Anyone knows what's so special? Apart from this hill station, in Mandi there is also one IIT. ಒಂದು IIT-ನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮಾಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ if you get a rank, go to IIT Mandi. Along with studying, you can do all this also. Skydiving and parachute ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ skydiving will become skydying. Okay. So okay. So is it understood? So let's go to the next chapter. Area under the curve. I think Praful sir has solved some questions on this, right? Application of integral.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I am only picking up some previous year questions so that you are quite confident for the upcoming tests. Okay. Yeah. One of you, okay, Rihan or Srujan, who wants to read this one? Okay, Rihan only read today full.
The area of the region bounded by the lines y equal to mx, comma x equal to 2, comma x equal to 1, comma x equal to 2, comma and x axis is 6 square units, then m is.
Okay. So now let's try to plot all these lines. Can anyone tell me how will the line x is equal to 1 look like? X is equal to 1 ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Parallel to I.
Parallel to y axis.
X is 1 will be a line parallel to y axis. I'll explain. ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, why it is not like this, why it has to be like this ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. if you draw a line like this, now if you measure the distance x coordinate, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ x distance ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ x is equal to ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ x is equal to 1 ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x is equal to 2 will again be a line like this. Okay, now along with that y is equal to mx. ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
passing through origin.
It should pass through origin. ಯಾಕೆ?
y intercept is 0.
Y intercept is 0. Y is equal to mx plus c ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will cut the y axis somewhere. ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ obviously when you put x as 0, y will also be how much? 0 ಅಲ್ವಾ? If c is not there, x ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ y ಗೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So y is equal to mx will be a line like this passing through origin. Now what are they saying? They are saying they want you to find the area between this line and these two lines. So which area are they talking about? Which area? This area, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Students? What type of a curve or graph, what type of a figure is this? I'll call this as A, B, C, D. What is A, B, C, D? It's a four-sided polygon, right? What is this graph? I mean, what is this polygon?
Like
actually?
trapezium.
Yeah, very good. This is a trapezium. All of you repeat. What is this?
Trapezium.
Trapezium andre two sides will be parallel. Okay, how many sides will be parallel? Two sides. In parallelogram, first two sides are parallel. I mean, first and third are parallel, second and fourth. But trapezium alli bari erade side parallel irutte. Innu eradu parallel iralla. Okay, so trapezium ge what is the formula for area of a trapezium?
1/2 height into sides.
Okay, 1 minute. Trapezium area formula ಏನಪ್ಪ? half into
h
half into base into sum of parallel sides. Okay, what is the formula? Half base into sum of parallel sides. Okay, so now how much is the base? Which is the base here? Half into base. Base is AB. What is sum of parallel sides? Which are the parallel sides? AD and BC, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
AD BC. ಈಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಎ ಬಿದು ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್? This is x is equal to 2 and here we have x is equal to 1. So दोनों के बीच में distance कितना होगा? 1. This distance is how much? 1. Yes or no? Hey Kaylee Raibak, what happened to your camera suddenly? Shivanand sir's class. I'm getting black and white movie effect suddenly. Okay. Okay. How do I find the length of BC and AD? How to find length of BC and AD? New PU College Raibag, second bench girl.
Pythagoras.
Can you wake her up? Second bench girl, please wake her up. New PU College Raibag. Oh, not there. Okay, okay. How do you find length of these two sides? How do you find this length? AD. How do you find AD? AD length ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? ನೋಡಿ, thus D lie on the line y is equal to mx? Yes or no? D lies on that line. And what is the x coordinate
1.
here? 1. So put x coordinate as 1. So y is equal to m into 1. That is the y coordinate here. So what is the y coordinate here? M into 1 andre m. So illi y coordinate is m. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is m. And in C, at C, how do I find? What is x coordinate
2.
here? 2. So x coordinate is 2, y
2m.
coordinate will be 2m. So this height is the y coordinate m, and this height is y coordinate 2m. So half into AB. AB is 1, and AD. Raibag girls. AD means this y coordinate. How much is this y coordinate?
M.
And how much is this y coordinate? 2m. So m plus 2m. And this total area they have given is equal to how much? Is equal to 6. So when you cross multiply, you will get 3m is equal to 12. Yes, m is equal to 4. So which year this came?
2014.
Yes, can you wake him up? Yeah, yes. Hi. Had a good sleep? ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಪ್ಪ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು. ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಂದರೆ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಡನ್?
Yes, sir.
ಯಪ್ಪ, ವಾಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಗೋ ಟು ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಒನ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅದು, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಪ್ಪ. ನಿಪ್ಪಾಣಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ 20 ವೈಟ್ ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟಾ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಥರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, ಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಪಾ.
ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಕಾಣಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೂತೇನ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಲ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೂತೇನ್ರಿ.
ಓ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓ, ಸಾರಿ ಪಾ, ಸಾರಿ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. All right, let's solve some more questions. First, I'll solve some really easy ones that came in recent CET papers. Okay, then we will pick up others also. Yes, yes. So Rihan, continue reading this.
The area of the region bounded by y equal to root 16 minus x square and x-axis is.
Okay, can anyone quickly tell me what curve
Circle.
is this? Oh, why it's a circle? Can anyone, why, Strujan, why is it a circle?
Form
Because
x square plus y square equal to r square.
r square. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಆಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 16 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 16. ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಕರೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್?
4.
4. ಓಕೆ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 4. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಜನ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ and the x-axis. So circle ka center is at origin. Okay, now they are saying area of this circle and the x-axis. So which is the area of the circle with the x-axis? Which area? Obviously it is above the x-axis. That means it's not full circle ka area, but how much of the area? How much? Half of the area. Yes or no, students? This is the area. of the circle with the x-axis. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. Now they are asking area of the circle with the x-axis. Andre x-axis ಮತ್ತೆ circle ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರೋ area. That means either this or this. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, but not the full area, only half area. So what is formula for area of a circle?
R square.
R square, but half area andre half into pi r square. So what is the answer, students?
Option A.
8 pi ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. R square is 16, so half of 16. So which is the answer?
Actually,
8
eight.
pi.
Option A,
Which year? CET
2021.
21. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಳೆ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ anyone remembers area of the ellipse? What is the formula for area of ellipse?
X square by A square.
Square by x a square plus y
Pi b
square.
pi b pi b pi b.
X square plus a by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is equation
IAB.
of ellipse. Area is pi into AB. Alva? Yes or no,
Yes,
students? This is for what? Ellipse. Now, why am I discussing this? Because next question, I want all of you to use the poll. Aditya sir, poll enable madi. Aditya sir, poll. I want everyone to use the poll for next question. Okay, that is area of ellipse related. Yes, read it quickly. Area of the ellipse.
If the area of ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by lambda square equal to 1, is 20 pi square
Option A.
lambda is.
Don't you answer on the mic. Everyone use the poll. What is area formula? Pi into A into B. Alva? How much is A? Compare
5.
karo. What is A?
5.
A is 5, right? A square is 25, so A is 5. B is lambda. Now area means pi A B, and that should be 20 pi. Pi cancels. So 5 into lambda must be 20.
Option C.
C na? Why C?
A, sir. A.
Option A, sir.
A only, no? A
Option
only.
A, sir.
Yeah. Lambda is plus or
Turning,
minus
sir.
4. Yeah, because actually B is plus or minus lambda. Okay, so that's it. So it is plus or minus 4. Which year? Again,
21.
21. One other reason why they gave this easy question in this year was this was the time when COVID wave was happening. Okay, and that was the time when you were all sleeping without attending classes. Yes or no? And our girls in Raibag, they're saying, when will that day come again, sir? Anta. Yes. Okay. So we'll go to the next one, students.
Yes, sir.
2022, again easy one. Yes, read, please.
Area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to tan x, the x-axis, and the line x equal to pi by 3 is.
Okay, so we have y is equal to tan x graph. ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y is equal to tan x graph. ಮತ್ತೆ along with that, what other?
Coordinate.
X axis, okay, and x is equal to pi by 3. So x is equal to pi by 3 is this. Now, in area under the curve, you need to know two formulae. What are the two formulae? Whenever you draw vertical strips, small vertical rectangular strips, then area is vertical strips. When you draw, area will be y2 minus y1 into dx, and horizontal strips draw ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it will be integral x2 minus x1 dy. Okay, y2 andre the y coordinate of the upper curve, y1 means the y coordinate of the lower curve. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is y coordinate according to the upper curve? What is
Tan
y?
x.
Y is equal to what? Tan x. So I'll use this formula. So y2 is tan x. What is y coordinate here on the x-axis? How much is y coordinate?
0.
0. So y2 minus y1 dx, integral 0 to what? Pi by 3. What is integral tan x? Log
Cos x.
log mod secant x. Log mod secant x. Okay, so ನಿಮಗೆ log secant x ಅಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Now please apply the limits. How much is secant pi by 3? Secant pi by 3 is 2. And secant 0 is 1. And log 1 is how much?
0.
Log 1 is 0. So what's the answer
Log
then?
2.
Option B.
Log 2, which is option
C.
Okay, which year?
22.
2022. Okay, one more question on trapezium. Next question. I want you only to solve it quickly now. Okay, are you ready, students? Okay, polls, Aditya sir. Yeah. So the area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to x plus 1, okay, and x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5. So y is equal to x plus 1. That line will come like this. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 5. So again you have a trapezium here, A, B, C, D. Can you quickly tell me what's the area? Pole alli, don't use the mic. Area will be half into base into sum of parallel sides, BC plus AD. Base is 2. How do you find this y coordinate?
X plus 1.
X plus 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? What is x coordinate here? 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
10b.
3, 4 3, 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ y coordinate here
10 square units.
4.
Option B.
Yes. So what is the answer now? All
B, sir.
solve. It's easy, right? 2 cancel agate. 4 plus 6. Answer is 10 square units. This is 2023. Okay. So one last question for today, and then we stop. Let's do this. Okay, we'll do this. Yes. How do we solve this? Area bounded by the line y is equal to x cube. Can you plot the graph?
Tan x.
Y equals x cube. ಅದು tan graph ತರಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. It look like tangent only. Y is equal to x cube. Oh, already solved? Okay. and y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8 ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
abscissa.
ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. x is equal to constant ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ, y is equal to constant ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ, and x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y axis. This is x equal to 0. So this area they are asking. Okay. So now you can either draw vertical strips or horizontal. Here I will prefer drawing horizontal strips. Do you know why? ಯಾಕೆ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x coordinate ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? How much is x coordinate here? Look at this. What is x coordinate here? 0. So this is like x2, this is x1, integral x2 minus x1 dy. Y is equal to 0 to 8 and x1 is 0. ಈಗ x2, how do I find out x2? x2 lies on this curve. x ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ x is what? y power 1 by 3. ಸೊ x2 ಗೆ y power 1 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x1 is 0 only. Integral dy 0 to 8. y power 1 by 3 will give you y power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Now you should substitute 0 and 8. When you substitute 8, what do you get? 8 power 1 by 3 whole power 4 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಈ 4 by 3 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ 8 power 1 by 3 whole power 4.
4.
How much is 8 power 1 by 3 is 2.
4.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 power 4 is 16. So 3 by 4 into 16 is 3 into 4, which is 12. So like that. Okay. So good. I think we solved good number of questions today. Hope you will be more confident for the test, students. Thank you for your patience.
Yes.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Yes, sir. Radhe Radhe, sir.
Yes. Radhe Radhe. Yes. Thank you.